Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to take profit right here on Swissquote. And for this, it's quite simple because right now we are having Ethereum to US dollars standing here on the chart. And if you want to create a take profit order, we go here to new order and then we fill in right here the volume that we want to buy. And then the most important part right here is that we hit the plus right here for take profit. Because right now, if we zoom a little bit out, we can throw the line like this to the place where we want to take profit, but we can also fill in right here the price where we want to take profit. So those are the two options that you can choose. Then right now just click here on buy, and if you can see right now we just created ourselves a Ethereum position right there, and at TP, that means take profit, he is telling us that at 2050 he will close our position, and there he will take our profit. So this is how you can take profit right here on Swissquote. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.